The Rosita. Today I'm unboxing a package from Temu, and I've got some company with me today. I spread the towel out to unbox, and this dude, he just came up and he won't, I guess he's excited to see what's in here. So let's do the honors and open it. I guess customs open this, so there's a whole bunch of tape and stuff, so I'll probably just yeah, this is taped up pretty damn good. As usual, I should be using my tripod, but I'm kind of under the weather, and I just wanted a little distraction, so I figured I'd open one of these packages that I haven't opened yet to just feel better. I'm gonna get this tape off. Okay, I got all the tape off, so let's see what's in here. This package is smaller than I expected it to be. It's supposed to be some curtains for my bedroom. That's one. Two. And this is the hold it. This is the bed sheet. This is prettier than I expected. This is pretty. This is a dream catcher, and of course they brought the brown and the beige theme for my room. This is a charm. Is that it? Is that everything that was supposed to be there? I can't recall what this was. Oh, this is an incense. That's dangerous, don't do that. Why does it look so dark in here? Why does the light look so yellow? Because even his fur looks... Oh, this is a incense holder, and it looks super orange. I don't know why my light just turned orange. It's plastic, it's resin. So I thought it would have been ceramic. And there's one at the top, so it, for the little the cone incense, you put it here and it flows back through here. Is that it? I think so, but I don't see I don't really see. It's not going all the way through, so I really don't know. And these are for the stick ones. So this is super cute. Of course, the accent in my room. The accents in my room are gold. And the theme in there is beige, cream, and green. So this is pretty. This is a evil eye charm. Can you open this for me? Oh, this is pretty. It's smaller than I anticipated, but I don't think I got the right one. This was supposed to be a horseshoe one. This is for my kids' room. This is it's cute. It's beautiful. I should be getting some more. But yeah, these I just needed to make up the order to $20 so that I could have it shipped. I think my cat loves it. This is smaller than I expected to. This is super pretty. I needed another one in blue for my son's room, but this is pretty. This is a dream catcher. I think he's gonna grab it, but stay tuned. Subscribe. I will be doing an unboxing for the bed sheets and the curtains in a separate video. This order was $20-something, but I had credits on Temu, so I just got it for a couple cents. Actually, this is a fitted sheet and two pillowcases for my bed, and this is definitely, the quality from what I can feel in here is better than what I expected to get. This was, I think the cost for this was $7. But yep, subscribe and turn on your notification. Ouch. Okay, you're getting out of hand now. For more. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.